The universe is vast, mysterious, and downright bizarre. For millennia, we humans have craned our necks skyward, searching for answers among the stars. We've plotted the courses of celestial objects, mapped constellations, and even dared to walk on the moon. But for all we've learned, the cosmos still holds countless secrets, mysteries that boggle the mind and ignite our imaginations. Today, we're exploring the strangest and most fascinating facts about our cosmos. Buckle up for a ride through the stars. Let's begin our journey with perhaps the most enigmatic objects in existence: black holes. Imagine a place where gravity is so strong, so all-consuming, that not even light can escape its clutches. These are black holes, remnants of collapsed stars, warping the very fabric of space-time. If you were to fall into a black hole, time would slow down for you relative to the outside world. You'd witness the universe fast forward, eons passing in an instant, as you journey towards the singularity. Our Milky Way is one of billions of galaxies in the cosmos. Galaxies move, interact, and sometimes collide. In 4 billion years, the Milky Way will collide with Andromeda. It sounds cataclysmic, but Earth will likely survive. We'll see a night sky ablaze with billions of new stars. Chapter 3. Have you ever wondered if our universe is all that exists? What if our universe is just one of an infinite number of universes in a grander multiverse? This is the multiverse theory. Imagine every possible outcome existing in a parallel universe. Another you might be living a wildly different life. The multiverse remains a tantalizing possibility. Chapter 4. Look around you at the world teeming with life at your own hands. Have you ever stopped to consider the building blocks of it all? The atoms that make up your body, the air you breathe, the very ground we walk on, they were all forged in the fiery hearts of stars billions of years ago. When massive stars die, they explode as supernovas, scattering their enriched guts across the cosmos. These stellar remnants, in turn, coalesced into new stars, planets, and eventually, life itself. You are not just in the universe, you are the universe experiencing itself. Chapter 5. We end our journey with the most spectacular fireworks show in the cosmos: supernovas. These are the explosive deaths of massive stars, events so luminous they can briefly outshine entire galaxies. For a brief glorious moment, a single supernova can release more energy than our sun will in its entire 10 billion year lifespan. But supernovas are more than just dazzling light shows. In their death throes, these stellar giants forge the heavy elements that make up planets and life itself, scattering them across the interstellar medium. Supernovas are the universe's ultimate recycling program. From death comes new life, a cosmic cycle that has played out for billions of years. The universe is stranger and more wonderful than we can imagine. From black holes that warp time to the infinite possibilities of the multiverse, from the stardust that makes up our very being to the grand recycling program of supernovas, the cosmos is an endless source of fascination. Which fact blew your mind the most? Share your thoughts below and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more epic discoveries.